Hi everyone, this is Hanna and this is my second blog post for the 3M Young Scientist Challenge. So far, my summer mentorship has been great with my amazing mentor Stephanie Owen. We've been looking into observing and identifying problems. The process of making observations and identifying problems is something we all do every day. Whether it's from observing that the milk is about to expire or to realizing the fact that we have to use those horrible paper straws because of global warming. Identifying these problems, viewing them from different angles, and raising questions about them is the crucial initial step to the scientific journey, because then it can inspire you to answer those questions and do research. For me, I first came across the research area in astronomy called sonification. Sonification means translating data into sound. NASA and its partners sonify many telescope data. This means you can actually hear distant celestial objects such as nebulas outside of the Milky Way. This is so exciting, and I wonder, what about the more familiar celestial objects? The ones that you can see with your naked eye? Why not sonify constellations, for example? While looking back to the first time I learned about constellations, I observed that people use visualization techniques. They group stars with imaginary lines and then conceptualize them by applying a visual pattern like a person, animal, or object. This is all obvious, but by making this observation consciously, it led me to some questions. Is this the best way to attract people to astronomy? Are there any better visualization techniques? How about sonification? This is how I arrived to my research direction, augmenting constellations at the night sky with the audio contents of the sonified form of themselves and contributing to astronomy education with this new technology. It wasn't that hard to narrow down into this idea, but it did take a lot of learning and brainstorming. As I said in the beginning, my mentor and I have thought back to the very beginning of the scientific process and brainstormed other observations and problems. Specifically, we tried to find problems that were not too big or too small, and we tried to find ones with scientific solutions. We've also been talking a lot about developing my project based on the audience and users and how we can make it more applicable or useful to them. That was something I wasn't really thinking about before, so this was great and such inspiring feedback. I think 3M scientists go through a very similar process, making observations continuously, identifying problems critically, and coming up with solutions to unanswered questions. And I'm so happy that I get to be like those 3M scientists this summer. That's it for today, but I hope you keep on following my 3M YSC journey. Bye!